In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete custom stickers from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messages app and then enter any conversation. We need to get into a conversation to show up this plus button on which we can tap and select stickers to show up our custom stickers here. Then you need to drag this bar and then you need to select the second button here. That shows you the recent stickers and that shows you your custom stickers that you can delete from here. You can also drag it to the top to expand it. Here, as you can see, I got a couple of stickers that I have recently created to demonstrate you how we can delete them. And now, basically, guys, all we have to do is just a long press at a sticker we would like to delete, just like that. And now it gives us three options. We can rearrange our stickers. If we tap right here, we'll be able to change the order of our stickers. And also, in that mode, we can hit at minus sign to remove a sticker. Also, if you long press on a sticker, you will be able to just tap at delete to delete that sticker from here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.